The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy, with up to 2 battalion tactical groups, reinforced by foreign mercenaries, launched 7 unsuccessful attacks on Russian positions in the areas of Persotravnivoye, Orlanka, Tabaevka and Berestovoye in Kharkov region. The Ukrainian units have been driven back to their initial positions by artillery fire, airstrikes and active actions of the Russian troops. Up to 250 Ukrainian servicemen and fighters, 1 tank, 6 infantry fighting vehicles, 4 armored personnel carriers and 8 vehicles have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, the enemy tried to conduct offensive operations by 2 company tactical groups near Stelmakhovka, Makeivka and Chervonopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic. All the attacks have been repelled. More than 50 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 tank, 2 infantry fighting vehicles and 1 armored personnel carrier have been eliminated by artillery fire and air strikes. In the South Donetsk direction, the units of the Russian troops, in the course of the offensive, destroyed the enemy near Novomikhalovka and Vladimirovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and also seized a number of strong points and dominating heights. Within the offensive, Russian troops advanced more than 3 kilometers deep into the enemy's defense and reached the southern outskirts of Pavlovka of Donetsk People's Republic. Over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 6 pickups have been eliminated. 6 Ukrainian servicemen surrendered and 1 Ukrainian tank was captured. In the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, the Ukrainian armed forces launched 3 unsuccessful attacks by company tactical groups near Petikatki, Chervony Yar and Lishchenko in Kherson region. The enemy has been driven back to its initial positions by fire and decisive action of Russian troops. 13 areas of the enemy's manpower reserves have been eliminated. Over 180 Ukrainian personnel, 11 armored fighting vehicles and 21 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have hit the Ukrainian Armed Forces Communications Center near Bilaevka in Kherson region, an ammunition depot near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, as well as 68 artillery units and firearm positions, manpower and military equipment in 189 areas. A training center for special operations forces of the Ukrainian armed forces has been eliminated by a strike of Russian troops near Ochakov in Nikolaev region. In the course of counter-battery warfare, an artillery battery of American M777 howitzers has been hit near Shevchenko in Kherson region. 2 launchers of the American HIMARS multiple launch rocket system have been hit near Zaporizhzhia. A launcher for a German Mars 2 multiple launch rocket system and ammunition of rocket and artillery weapons have been destroyed near Meshkovo-Pogorelovo in Nikolaev region. 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Nikolaevka in Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft has shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Dutchany in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have shot down 1 Su-25 aircraft of Ukrainian Air Force near Nikolskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. 2 Mi-8 helicopters of the Ukrainian Air Force have been shot down near Kirovsk and Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic. 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Nikolskoye, Komsomolsky, Volnoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Kolomychiha, Kamenka, Vrubovka, Sosnovy in Lugansk People's Republic, and Mechnikovo in Kharkov region. In addition, 32 projectiles of the American HIMARS multiple launch rocket system have been shot down near Vuglar, Mezhevoye of Donetsk People's Republic, Antonovka, Novaya Kakhovka, Olgovka, Persotravnivoye, Lvovo in Kherson region, and 1 Olha rocket near Popasnaya in Lugansk People's Republic. 6 American HARM anti-radar missiles have been intercepted near Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 328 airplanes and 167 helicopters, 2,380 unmanned aerial vehicles, 384 air defense missile systems, 6,192 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 879 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,537 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,898 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Despite the presence of the International Atomic Energy Agency representatives at Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant, Kyiv regime continues provocations aimed at posing a threat to create a technological disaster. There were 3 reports of shelling by artillery units of the Ukrainian armed forces of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the station. A total of 10 shells were fired. Ukrainian artillery shelling was carried out from Novokiivka of Dnepropetrovsk region. In the course of the counter-battery fight, the Ukrainian units were suppressed by return fire from Russian artillery. Within an attempted landing by a Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance group to get into Energodar of Zaporizhzhia region, 1 speedboat of the Ukrainian armed forces has been eliminated. The radiation environment at the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant remains normal.